Standard 6th Subject Computer. Students, today we are going to learn lesson number 1, Understanding the Software. Software. Software is a computer program which tells the computer how to perform a particular task. It includes a logical set of instructions for completing the task. It accepts inputs from the user, process it, and gives you the output or final results. For example, prepare the mark sheet by giving the marks scored in each subject and print it on the paper. Software can be divided into two general classes like system software and application software. System software divided into two classes, operating system and utility program. System software. System softwares are programs that helps the computer to manage its resources like hardware and software. It controls all input, output and processing activities of the computer, such as the operating system and utility program. The main tasks of system software are as follows: recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to the display screen, keeping track of files and directories on the disk, controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. Some examples of system software are Windows, Linux, Unix and DOS. The operating system. The operating system is the first program loaded into the memory when the computer is turned on. Without it, you cannot use your word processing software, spreadsheet software or any other applications. When you give the computer a command, the operating system relays the instruction to the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. You cannot speak directly to the CPU because it understands only machine language. When you are working in an application software program such as Microsoft Word, commands that you give in the application are sent through the operating system to the CPU. Utility programs. Utility software, simple meaning is help to manage, maintain and control computer resources. Resources means is something that is ready to use if or when is needed. Utility program software is a type of system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize and maintain the computer by taking care of the software and hardware components. Now, configure means what? To arrange computer equipment for a particular task, and optimize means make the most or best effective use of resources. Some example of utility programs include virus scanning software. Virus scanning software developed to detect and remove computer viruses. Backup software work as a safeguard your data when file corruption and hardware failure occur. ScanDisk. ScanDisk is a DOS utility application used to check and correct errors on hard and floppy disk. Disk defragmenter. When a program saves a file on a disk, it puts the file into an empty space on the disk. Disk defragmenter takes all the pieces of each file and stores them in one place. It also makes sure programs are each in one place and that unused space on the hard disk is all together. Application programs. Applications are programs used to perform specific tasks. The application software work together with the system software because they are unable to run without the operating system and system utilities. Now students, here are the some example of applications. Word processor means Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, it is a faster and easier than writing by hand. Stores the document on your computer. More formatting choices like spelling, grammar, language tools, etc. are available. You can print the copies of your documents. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet, also known as worksheet, contains rows and columns and is used to record, compare and process data. The advantage of using this program is ability to update data and perform automatic calculation. Database. Database stores data and provide facilities to search for specific records in a given set of data. They store special information used to manage data. Enables the user to create and maintain a database in which data is organized in user-friendly manner. Manipulation. Presentation graphics enables users to create images for group presentation, self-running slideshows, and for other programs that require the presentation of organized visual information. PowerPoint can be used in almost all the fields, whether it business, education, household, and so on. Web browser or simply browser is an application used to access and view website. Photo editing is the changing of images. Photo editing is a tool which you can use to manipulate and enhance images. Thank you.